Hi everyone, I am TiTi. Today, I will explain to you how to play the TiTi Testnet, helping everyone get better places in Testnet championships. First, enter TiTi Testnet. Connect your wallet and confirm it is Wrinkly Test Network. In the wallet, add the TiTi contract address. This way you can see the balance of TiTi in your wallet. The address of TiTi can be viewed in our doc. Click here to see our official documentation. Look here, you can already display the number of tokens you hold. Connect wallet. Click Connected to see if your wallet address and balance are correct. If you need to switch wallet accounts, you can switch wallet accounts. Click Disconnected, and then reconnect the wallet. Click Testnet to receive test coins and gas fees. It is recommended that you collect gas fees first. Otherwise the operation will fail because there are no fees. In addition to this Wrinkly faucet, we also found more faucet for you all. Partners who want to receive more gas fees can go to doc to check. Test coins can be claimed every 24 hours, and the time is recorded here. You can get 10000 USDC when the testnet is officially launched. I am not using the final version, so I can only get 10,000 USDC. After receiving it successfully, you have two options. First, MMF. The first operation requires authorization. Click Approve. Put your stake in MMF. Here will give you TiTi rewards. Here is the USDC. Enter the amount of USDC you want to stake and click Stake. Here is the amount of USDC staked in. Here are the TiTi rewards generated by MMF. The amount of reward depends on the level of dynamic APY. USDC rewards are sent directly to your account. TiTi rewards need to be collected manually. Click Claim to claim your TiTi rewards. Remove from MMF. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and click Withdraw. Observe the number. You can find out if your operation is successful. Or check in your wallet. Second, swap. The first operation requires authorization. Click Approve. Here you can exchange the MUST you received for TiTi and do more operations. After owning TiTi, you can go to mining. To provide liquidity in mining, you need to own both TiTi and TiTi. How to get TiTi? You have two ways. First, use TiTi to buy TiTi. Click Add Liquidity in Uniswap v2, click Swap. We can't find TiTi here, we need to manually enter the TiTi address. Select TiTi, and exchange TiTi for TiTi. Second, extract the TiTi rewards generated in MMF. You can wait to claim the TiTi rewards generated in MMF and then provide liquidity so that you don't need to buy TiTi. But this reward is very small in a short period of time. When you own both Testnet and TiTi, you can provide liquidity. Return to pool and add Testnet TiTi liquidity. After the display is successful, return to the test network page. Add liquidity to the testnet. Here is your added liquidity. You need to stake them in LP mining. When the number is displayed here, it means success and the LP mining operation is complete. Here, you can see the generated TiTi rewards in real time, and click to claim them. Remove from LP mining. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and click Withdraw. Click Add Liquidity in Uniswap v2, click Arrow, click Import Pool, select Testnet TiTi. Click Manage this pool, click Remove. Select the value you want to extract, and the extraction is successful. TiTi staking is a place to stake your TiTi, and you can also get TiTi rewards while staking. Back in MMF, you can see the TiTi rewards generated during this period. You can extract this part of TiTi and continue to mining. Alternatively, you can transfer the generated TiTi rewards to TiTi staking. Similarly, for the TiTi rewards generated in LP mining, you can continue to team up with Testnet. Continue LP mining, or go to TiTi staking. It's up to you to judge. In TiTi staking, the TiTi you own and the TiTi you staked will be displayed here. While staking here, you can also get TiTi rewards. And this part of TiTi rewards will be directly added to the amount of your stake. Use to earn, it's a magical place. You may have triggered use to earn while you were doing a series of operations on the testnet. When you buy Testnet in swap, use to earn captures your purchase record and gives you TiTi rewards. When you Testnet holder, use to earn gives you TiTi reward. When you buy TiTi in Uniswap, use to earn gives you TiTi reward. But the rewards for each operation are different. The TiTi rewards you can claim will be displayed here. This part of TiTi rewards will be distributed periodically. You can click Claim to withdraw. In My Account, you can see your account information and reward details. Your staked value, all the items you staked. Claimable TiTi rewards, the current TiTi rewards you generate. TiTi staking rewards are just not displayed here, not without dynamic APY. This is the basis for how much you get TiTi rewards. It can be seen that the APY of each operation is different. The TiTi rewards generated by different APY are also different. The Use to Earn module does not have dynamic APY, however, The rewards for different operations of use to earn can be seen, and you can evaluate it yourself. So which operation can earn the most TiTi? This will be where you play. Back to Testnet, this is where our race ends. The rewards and rules of the tournament are clearly written here, you can read them in detail. And your final ranking is also displayed at the bottom. At the same time, you can also see the ranking of others and the number of TiTi. Our final measure of ranking is the number of TiTi. The more TiTi, the higher the ranking. But please note that the amount of TiTi participating in the ranking is the amount that has been staked in TiTi staking. If your TiTi is not TiTi staking, it will not be counted in the number of rankings. So please TiTi staking all the TiTi you hold before the end of the tournament. TiTi Testnet Championships start now. Develop your strategy to earn the most TiTi. Come and fight for the championship.